Wait. This surely won't backfire. Ha ha ha. Haha. This is like when your parents tell you to clean up and you just shove everything under the fridge. Will you dust the kitchen? Shove it under the fridge. God, when was the last time you guys dragged your fridge out? Do you guys clean behind your fridge? I remember one time we pulled the fridge forward and we found like old childhood magnets that I hadn't seen in many years. It was really cool. Yeah. Treasures and trinkets hidden behind the fridge. That's a good place to look.